I'm going to use this again. So I'm going to put in this trunking. Hi guys, it's DK388. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing some more LED light strips in the kitchen. Obviously done a couple of times in other areas. You can have a look at them. But this time we're going to concentrate on this sort of worktop area, this bench area where we have an air fryer and a coffee machine. And we're going to use the same lights as previous, which is the Novostella. Got these from Amazon. I'll leave the link in below. Comes in a kit form. Got your remote control, your driver. Got 6 meters of changeable, tunable LED lights. And then we got the power adapter. And then we got the aluminium trunking that the light's going to be housed in. From the power point of view, we're going to install some new electrical points underneath the worktop and sort of start the wiring underneath vertically, as shown here in the profile. We're going to run this up to the ceiling, and that will junction at 90 degrees, and that will run across the full width of the ceiling to provide some additional downlighting. So step 2, I'm just measuring up on the vertical and the horizontal, the length of my profiles, and also marking up where I'm going to fix the ceiling points to mechanically. I thought I'd just use a laser level, see if that helps. And then using a fine metal blade, the jigsaw, I'm going to mark out my aluminium profile and make my cuts. It's best to go nice and slow just to get a clean square cut on these without rushing. And then now I'm going to prepare fixing the aluminium trunking for the ceiling. I'm going to use 3 mechanical fixings, a plug and a screw, just to hold it nice and steady, so it's not going to ever fall down. And then for the vertical trunking, because I'm mounting it on its side, it's not possible for it to have a mechanical fixing, so I'm going to use some double-sided tape. I'm using a level as well to make sure it's nice and once that's in, I'm going to sort of push fit LED strip lights into place, and then using some temporary power, I'm going to do some testing. So the kit doesn't actually come with any AAA batteries, so make sure you have some spare ones or buy some with the kit. And then testing the light, switching it on for the first time. Everything seems to be all hunky-dory. Testing the light strips, make sure I'm happy with the positioning. Everything seems to be all okay, and then trimming the light to suit. Once I'm happy with that, I can peel the back off and I'll stick into the aluminium trunking and do that all the way across and down. And once I've done that, I can start putting the plastic lens cap on, the diffuser, as I'm doing on the right hand side. Once I've done, so this is just a temporary power supply at the minute, just to make sure everything's all working and I'm happy with it. And it seems to be going all to plan. So next, we're going to install some new sockets. I'm going to put a double surface mounted box on the end here. Just an example, just marking up the positioning. Inside the cupboard, we have some double sockets, so it's basically I'm going to extend one of the sockets onto the side. And then we have a spare socket available as well for anything else. And this is the finished product. Sort of tidy up cables to the underside, and as you can see, we've got our air fryer and coffee machine. Just provides additional ambient lighting. Just testing out the different types of white, cool white, day white, and also the brightness as well. And that's the LED lighting installation complete. I'll leave the Novostella Amazon link below in the description. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you find the video useful. I'll leave the link for the lights in the description below from Amazon. Catch you later.